Hello everyone, this is Prasad Anil Satpute from class 10th B with my amazing team to present a maths integrated project before you. We are going to present maths integrated project on the topic COVID-19 at a glance, March 2020 to January 2021.
Hello, myself Arjun Dhananjay Shedge from Standard 10B. We would like to express our special thanks of gratitude to our teacher Mr. Sandeep Kumar Jain as well as our principal Mr. Sachin Patak sir who gave us the golden opportunity to do this wonderful project on the topic COVID-19 in Odisha and Maharashtra, which also helped us in doing a lot of research. We are really thankful to them. Secondly, we would like to thank our parents for helping us. Then, we have not made this project merely for marks but also to gain the knowledge. Now, the next part will be introduced by my friend Rohit Bhagwan.
Hello everyone, this is Rohit Vikas Bhagwan. I am going to talk on the topic Introduction, Aims and Objectives. We ought to present the comparative study of novel coronavirus in two states, namely Odisha and Maharashtra.
Hello everyone, this is Tanmay Praveen Jagtap. Today I am going to explain the topic what is COVID-19. The COVID-19 pandemic, also known as coronavirus pandemic, is an ongoing pandemic of coronavirus disease 2019 caused by transmission of severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus second, which is also known as COVID-19, which was first identified in December 2019 in Wuhan, China. The outbreak of coronavirus was declared as public health emergency of international concern in January 2020 and also it was declared as pandemic in March 2020. Now my friend Yashraj will explain the further topic.
Hello everyone, this is Yashraj Kishore Pansare. Today I am going to talk on the topic common myths around COVID-19. First, Ayurveda and other herbal medicines can help cure coronavirus. Second, only old peoples are affected by the coronavirus. Third, onset of summer mean a decline of the virus. Fourth, eating meat can cause coronavirus. Sixth, spraying alcohol can kill coronavirus. 7. Vitamin C can cure the coronavirus infection. 8. Eating garlic will help to prevent the infection. 9. Taking a hot bath can prevent the virus from infecting you. 9. You don't have COVID if you can hold your breath for 10 seconds without discomfort. 11. Dog can spread coronavirus. Thank you.
Hello, myself Arjun Dhananjay Shedge from Standard 10B. Now I will explain you about the condition of Odisha and Maharashtra. By looking at the two maps of Odisha and Maharashtra, we can clearly see that number of COVID patients were more in Maharashtra as compared to Odisha. So now my friend Rohit Bhagwan will explain you about the next topic. Thank you.
Here I start with COVID 19 in India. The novel coronavirus is being spreading day by day very fastly across the whole world. Our country, India, is also a part of largely affected countries. In Indian subcontinent, the state Maharashtra has the largest number of COVID-19 cases. As compared to Maharashtra, Odisha has better condition as there are less COVID-19 cases. So, let's compare the cases in both the states, Maharashtra and Odisha.
Tabular representation of COVID cases in Maharashtra and Odisha. You can see in below table that the total number of cases in Maharashtra is 924k and in Odisha is 128k. The recovery cases in Maharashtra is 659k. As compared to Odisha, the recovery cases are 99,398. The dead cases in Maharashtra are 27,027 and the dead cases in Odisha are 556. Now, my colleague Prasad Satpute will explain the further topic.
So, the following bar graph illustrates the information about the confirmed, recovered, and active cases in the states of Maharashtra and Odisha. The graph tells us that the recovery rate is high and the conditions are gradually improved. This is the description of the above graph. From the graph, we can conclude that the situations of Odisha is much better than Maharashtra. The difference between the total cases, recovered cases, and deaths clearly tells us the condition in both the states. But the good thing for both the states is that the recovery rate is high. So we should support the government and follow the rules made by them.
Now, I am going to talk on the topic Government Steps Against COVID. Bhubaneswar fights COVID 19. First, 550 bed COVID care center at High Tech College of Engineering. Second, 150 bed with 30 ICU dedicated COVID hospitals in partnership with Aditya Ashwini Hospitals. Third, 3 NOS of 50 bedded COVID care home at 3 zones of BMC under MLA fund. And last, 60 bed COVID care center by BMC at Dumduma UHCH.
By looking at the pie chart, we come to know that from the ages 1 to 14, only 3% of the people have been got attacked by the COVID-19. Then, from the ages 15 to 40 is the largest number of COVID-19 cases present in Odisha. Then, cases from 41 to 60, there are 22% of people who have been got attacked by the COVID-19. And at the last, we can see that there are only 3% of the cases in which people above age 60 have got attacked by the coronavirus. Now, the next topic will be introduced by my friend Prasad Satpute.
We all thanks our respected parents, teachers, and team members for their mutual cooperation. This project was achieved due to team spirit and team determination.